So this is Antigravity. Antigravity is a heavy fork of VS Code. So it looks similar to VS Code. If you're not familiar with VS Code is pretty dope. It's an open source code editor that was released by Microsoft way back in the day. And it's pretty much goated. And a lot of people use it. And they use it for good things. They use it because it has the distribution, the plugins, it's heavily customizable, it's open source, people like it, and it's good. There has been instances of companies creating a rehashed version of VS Code like Zed. I really appreciate Zed. I like Zed quite a bit, but when it comes to productivity, you got to go with what's the most productive, not necessarily what you like the most. If I had a choice between Zed or Antigravity or VS Code, I'd probably choose Zed. Zed's built ground up in Rust. It's way faster. It utilizes your GPU instead of your CPU. There's a lot of cool things on a optimization basis. But this is Antigravity. It looks like VS Code, feels like VS Code. Really, the only difference is that you have this agent manager system built in to where you can run multiple agents at the same time. I think up to 15. I've never ran that many. One of the key issues with running a lot of agents at the same time is that since the code base is not in the cloud, that they can run over each other. Whereas in the last platform that I talked about, Jules, in the previous episodes, that platform is in the cloud, so it can understand the code base and does its changes within the code base. And then you could be working on 3 different things at the same time. When one task finished, the repo or the repository, basically the code, is updated. Then the other workers, when they finish, they can see that the code has been updated, and then they can refresh their work to reflect and fit with the new repo. That's how it works if it's in the cloud. But if it's not in the cloud and everything is local, you can run into problems if you're running so many agents. And it's also a lot of copy and pasting. You get fatigued. You get copy paste fatigue. Like instead of writing code and getting cognitive fatigue, you're just like, oh, this is so much planning. There's so much going on here. Like I just need to be able to kick things off and not copy paste and approve everything. So that's where this comes from.